The 20 best foods for your sex life. You know that you should eat healthy to protect your heart and your health in general. But, I bet you weren't really aware that food can also protect your sexual health and boost your sex drive. That's right. Nature contains all the sex-boosting nutrients your body will ever need. Let me tell you about them. 20 common foods that boost your sex drive. It's a no-brainer that eating healthier will boost your general health. It follows that, if your body is healthy, your sex drive will also be healthy. Yet, there are some specific foods that contain certain natural vitamins and chemical compounds that really do more to boost libido in humans, both men and women alike. Starting from A to Z, here are 20 of the best sex drive boosting foods out there. 1. Almonds. Contains zinc, testosterone production, selenium, antioxidant, and vitamin E, reproductive health booster. 2. Apples. Contain quercetin, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps boost prostate health, the seat of male sexual function. 3. Avocado. Full of vitamin B6, which helps the human body make the sex-driving hormone testosterone in both men and women. It also is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that specifically supports sexual function and reproductive health. 4. Bananas. Full of rich, natural sugars for energy, bananas also contain high levels of B6, which boosts testosterone production and energy. They also contain photonine, a mood-boosting compound, and bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory. 5. Beef. Rich in protein, B12, iron and zinc for stamina and hormone production. But go easy on the portions, it's still chock full of animal fat too. Grill or broil to get rid of the excess fat. 6. Celery. Really? Yes, celery, that often passed by vegetable in your produce bin. Celery contains androsterones, which are natural male and female hormone precursors. They are responsible for pheromone production as well, that's certain something you uniquely give off that attracts people to you. Eat them whole or use crushed celery seeds in your salads. 7. Chocolate. Preferably dark, chocolate contains a chemical called methoxanthine, which stimulates dopamine, a sedative that lowers inhibitions much like wine, in the brain. It has been known to increase desire for physical contact and is why it has become the symbol for Valentine's Day. It's also why its eating was banned from monasteries hundreds of years ago. 8. Cinnamon. A spice used as an aphrodisiac for centuries, yet it's only fairly recently that scientists have figured out why. Cinnamon's scent somehow stimulates your attraction senses. Combining it with vanilla only strengthens its powers. 9. Eggs. Rich in protein, lutein, and B6 and B5 vitamins that help with hormone production and calm jangled nerves. 10. Figs. Long used in the ancient world as an aphrodisiac, figs contain certain amino acids, proteins, that are thought to stimulate hormone production and libido. Their natural sugars may also fuel sexual stamina. 11. Fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help produce hormones and dampen inflammation throughout your body, including the vascular system of your reproductive glands. 12. Garlic. Contains a potent antioxidant allicin which decreases inflammation and improves blood flow to the reproductive organs. 13. Ginger. Also a blood mover, the Chinese have been using ginger for centuries to treat circulation problems. Erectile dysfunction is often caused by lack of blood supply to the arteries of the penis. Increasing blood flow to this area can help correct that. 14. Oysters. Rich in zinc which helps boost testosterone production. 15. Sesame seeds. Also a good source of zinc which helps boost testosterone production. 16. Spinach. Rich in iron, magnesium and vitamin C, also mixes xenoestrogens, environmental chemical hormones from pollutants, plastics, toxins, before they dampen sex drive. 17. Strawberries. Contain good amounts of antioxidant vitamin C and zinc. 18. Sweet potatoes. Rich in vitamin A, which is thought to boost fertility, and potassium, which helps erectile dysfunction. 19. Walnuts. Also rich in B vitamins and omega-3 fats, recent research out of the University of California has shown that eating 75 grams of walnuts a day can boost sperm production in men. But the sex benefits are not just for men. They're also rich in L-arginine, which helps boost nitric oxide that boosts a strong blood supply to the genital area to intensify orgasms. 20. Watermelon. Contains citrulline found in research to relax blood vessels, enabling better blood flow. It helps make L-arginine, which in turn creates nitric oxide that helps dilate blood vessels. Some researchers have dubbed it a natural Viagra. I don't know that I would go that far, but it could help prevent erectile dysfunction where Viagra is a temporary cure for it. Now that you know what foods help excite and boost your sex drive, be sure to include many of them in your diet every day. They're not only sex healthy, they're general health supporting, so eating them is win-win. You can also create your own menus combining many of these foods when you want to have a romantic date with your spouse or significant other. But be prepared for the fireworks.
So